I was just studying the IELTS mark scheme for a band 7 and it says uses collocation. What the hell's a collocation? I'm a native English speaker and a fully qualified English teacher and I had no idea what a collocation was. So I went onto Google to find out what it meant and to give you the top tips of how to use it. The first thing I did in my research was I went to Google and typed in collocation meaning. Here's what Google said. The habitual juxtaposition of blah, 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 with a greater frequency than chance. Yeah, thanks Google. If I don't know what collocation is, how's that going to help me? Why is that in the band 7 mark scheme? I mean, what's in the band 9 mark scheme? Anti-disestablishmentarianism. But it's in there, so we need to know what it means. So I did a deep dive and I worked out that it just means words that go together often. Why not just say that? Bloody English. So now we know what it means. How do we use it in our answers to get a band 7? Right, I'm going to level with you. There's not really a way to teach it because it's just words that go together and you need to really know it instinctively. So listen to a lot of English speakers, read a lot of books. It's like when you say, I'm going to look at a movie. It's not the correct way to say it, even though we know what you mean. It's, I'm going to watch a movie. Or, I'm going to make a poo. Is not the correct way to say it. You go, I'm going to have a poo. It's really something that comes with practice. But having said that, we're no cop-out here at Smash Exams, so I can't teach you all of them, but what I can do is give you a top 6 collocations for the Academic Writing Task 1. Just need to get my friend to help me with this one. Number 1, noticeably different. We can use this when we're comparing 2 components on a bar graph or a line graph or even 2 pie charts. An example would be the activities the boys participate in are noticeably different. Thanks, mate. Number 2, increased dramatically. You can use this when the line goes up between years sharply or when the second pie chart grows a lot compared to the first. An example would be the television audience increased dramatically between 2012 and 2020. Number 3, significantly higher. Use this when anything is a lot higher than before, such as a growing YouTube channel. Adam's like rate was significantly higher in September 2021 than in March of the same year. I'm not hinting anything. Number 4, the chart shows the fluctuation of, and you need to use this when the chart goes up and down, is a little bit all over the place, such as the chart shows the fluctuation of the sales of goldfish in the UK between the years 2010 and 2016. Number 5, urban development. Urban development just means they've built more buildings basically, so any extra restaurants, shops, malls, skyscrapers, you could say that there has been urban development. For example, there was a lot of urban development between 1941 and 2021, especially with all the additional houses. And 6th and finally, a greater share. This can be used for pie charts or tables or anything that compares percentages. It means when one has more than the other. For example, in 2017, the USA had a greater share of people taking the IELTS, but by 2020, it had reduced. That's it. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm now going to go and create a cup of coffee. If you've gained any value from this video, don't forget to check out these ones as well, and they will help you with the Academic IELTS Writing Task 1. If you don't want to miss any future videos, press subscribe, have a good day, and smash those exams.